Everything you're looking at was created from a single prompt. The research, the branding, the landing page, the dashboard, the advertisements, even these Hollywood-style cinematic scenes. And if this were built by a traditional creative agency, you're easily looking at a workflow worth thousands of dollars every month. But here's the crazy part. I didn't hire a designer. I didn't hire a developer. I didn't hire a video production team. I gave Claude one prompt, connected it to Higgsfield MCP, and let it build the entire creative workflow from start to finish. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it researched the market, generated premium GPT Image 2 assets, created a fully functional landing page, planned cinematic shots, and produced blockbuster quality videos, all from one connected workflow. Quick disclosure before we begin, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield AI. If you'd like to follow along with everything you see in this tutorial, you'll find the Higgsfield link in the description below. AI tools have changed a lot over the last few years. At first, they were mostly assistants. You would ask a question, get an answer, copy the result, and then manually do everything yourself. But the next step of AI is completely different. Instead of just giving you information, AI can now help you actually create. That is where Higgsfield MCP comes in. Think of Claude as the brain. It can understand your idea. It can plan your workflow. It can organize your project. But Higgsfield MCP gives Claude the ability to actually create and ship the assets. Videos, images, ads, marketing materials, all inside one workflow. Today, I'm going to test this with 2 or 3 different projects. First, we're going to create a realistic UGC advertisement using Claude connected through Higgsfield MCP. A complete product video that looks like something you would see on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Then we're going to take things further. Basically everything needed to start building a brand. And the interesting part is, I'm not going to manually create these assets. I'm going to let Claude and Higgsfield MCP handle the workflow. Before we create anything, we need to connect Higgsfield MCP inside Claude. This takes around 30 seconds. On the main Higgsfield platform, you will find MCP. Click on it. Make sure Claude is already selected, then copy the link below. Inside Claude, go to Customize. Then Connectors. Click the Add button. Click Add Custom Connector. A pop-up will appear. Name it Higgsfield. Paste the MCP connection URL. Then click Add. And that's it. Claude now has access to Higgsfield MCP. The brain now has the hands. Now let's create our first project. Something every creator and business owner needs. Video ads. Normally, creating a realistic product advertisement requires a camera, someone to film it, editing, multiple revisions. Let's see what happens when Claude handles the entire process using Higgsfield MCP. Let's start with something practical. Almost every brand today needs short-form video ads. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, these videos are everywhere. But creating good UGC content is not as simple as just pressing record. You need the right hook. You need realistic movement. You need natural reactions. And most importantly, it needs to feel like a real person created it. So for this first test, I'm uploading an image of a Nikon D810 professional DSLR camera. My goal is to create a realistic 15-second UGC advertisement. Here is the prompt I'm giving Claude. I want to create a 15-second vertical UGC professional video ad using Seedance 2.0. The video should feature a real-looking creator using the camera naturally. I also included the exact structure. First 3 seconds, she introduces the product. Then she takes a photo, switches into video mode, shows the camera screen, and finishes with a strong product reaction. The reason I'm being specific here is because video quality depends heavily on creative direction. The more clearly you communicate the story, the better the final result usually becomes. This is the part I find really fascinating. I'm not manually switching between different AI tools or copying prompts from one platform to another. Claude is actually connected to Higgsfield MCP, so the entire workflow happens from one conversation. I simply describe what I want, and Claude translates that creative idea into a production-ready task. You can actually watch the process unfold in real time. The request is sent automatically. The workflow begins. Higgsfield starts generating the media in the background while Claude continues managing the project. There's no back and forth, no downloading assets and uploading them somewhere else. Everything stays connected through a single workflow. Then, once the generation is finished, the final image or video is delivered straight back into my workspace, ready to use. It feels less like using separate tools and more like directing an entire creative production team from one prompt. And here's the part that makes this different from a normal AI chat. The final video isn't just a suggestion. It is an actual file, an asset I can use. The MP4 has been generated and delivered into my working folder. This is the difference between asking AI for ideas and using AI as part of your production workflow. Okay. First impression.
Okay, you need this. One shot and look at that clarity. Nikon D8-10, seriously obsessed.
This actually looks much more natural than I expected. The first thing I notice is how real the person is and a hand at one side recording another video. It doesn't have that overly perfect AI feeling. The handheld movement makes it feel like someone actually recorded this in their bedroom, which is exactly what makes UGC ads work. Look at the facial expression here. She doesn't look like she's just reading a script. The reaction feels connected to the product, and that is usually one of the hardest things for AI video to get right. The transition from taking a photo in the window into showing the picture taken, that sequence works really well. It tells a mini story in just a few seconds. And this shot right here, showing the camera display and reacting to the quality, this is the type of detail that makes an advertisement feel believable. The final product shot also works nicely. It feels less like a traditional commercial and more like a creator genuinely sharing something they discovered. Would I still edit this before publishing? Probably. I might add my own branding, captions, and maybe adjust a few details. But the fact that the first version already looks like a usable social media ad, that saves a huge amount of time. Think about the traditional process. You might need someone to write the concept, someone to film the content, someone to edit the video, someone to create different versions for different platforms. Even a simple UGC campaign can quickly become expensive. But with this workflow, you can create your first draft much faster, and then spend your time improving the creative direction instead of starting from zero. For the second test, I'm giving Claude a much bigger challenge. I'm going to act as if I'm launching a brand from scratch. Up until now, we've been testing individual features. Now it's time for something much more ambitious. I'm going to give Claude one prompt with one objective. Research the product, build the brand, write the marketing campaign, generate every image with Higgsfield MCP, and finish with a cinematic advertisement. No step-by-step guidance. Just one prompt. Let's see what actually happens. I want you to act as an expert creative agency, researcher, designer, and marketing strategist. Create a complete premium launch campaign for a fictional AI productivity application called Focus Flow AI. Start by researching the current AI productivity software market, identifying competitors, trends, target audience, customer pain points, pricing strategies, and unique positioning opportunities. Based on your research, develop a compelling brand identity, value proposition, tagline, and marketing angle. Write persuasive website copy, landing page sections, feature descriptions, FAQs, email launch sequence, app store description, Google Ads, Meta Ads, X-Posts, LinkedIn announcement, and a complete 60-second promotional video script. Every time the project requires a visual asset, do not describe what the image should look like and do not use placeholders. Up to this point, we've been testing individual workflows, but now I want to see what happens when Claude takes complete control from start to finish. With Higgsfield MCP 2.0 connected, Claude doesn't just have the brain to think. It now has the hands to create and the distribution to deliver everything into my working directory. So I gave it one massive prompt. The first thing it did was check my Higgsfield account balance, confirm I had enough Ultra credits, and then immediately started researching the market. Instead of jumping straight into image generation, Claude analyzed competitors, uncovered customer pain points, identified a unique market opportunity, and built an entire marketing strategy before spending a single credit. Once the research was complete, it designed a complete brand identity, locked the color palette, lighting, and visual language, then started generating premium GPT-Image2 assets through Higgsfield MCP. Every image was created automatically as the workflow progressed. Hero shots, lifestyle photography, product advertising, website banners, feature illustrations, infographics, everything followed one consistent visual identity without me stepping in. But this is the part that genuinely surprised me. Claude didn't stop at generating marketing assets. Through the Higgsfield MCP connector, it also built a fully downloadable HTML landing page. I opened the file in Visual Studio Code, launched it in the browser, and it looked exactly like a premium SaaS website. Every section, every animation, every image, every piece of research, beautifully designed and already connected together. This is where Higgsfield MCP 2.0 really changes what's possible. It gives Claude the brain, the hands, and the distribution. The brain to research and make decisions. The hands to generate images, videos, ads, dashboards, and landing pages. And the distribution to package everything into real files that are ready to open, edit, and ship. One connector, one prompt, one agent running the entire pipeline, from research to render to revenue. Okay, this is actually impressive. I was expecting Claude to generate a basic landing page with a few sections and some placeholder images. Instead, it built a complete premium website. The branding is consistent from top to bottom. Every image matches the visual style it created earlier. The copy flows naturally, and even the animations feel intentional. What's even crazier is that this isn't just a mock-up. Claude generated a fully downloadable HTML file through the Higgsfield MCP connector. I opened it in Visual Studio Code, ran it locally, and this exact page loaded in my browser. Everything is already there. The layout, the interactions, the embedded visuals, the research, the marketing copy. It feels like something a professional design agency would hand over to a client. And remember, this all came from a single prompt. That's the difference with Higgsfield MCP. Claude isn't just generating ideas anymore. It's producing real deliverables that you can actually open, edit, and build on. So at this point, Claude has already researched the market, built the brand, generated the marketing assets, and even delivered a production-ready landing page. That's impressive on its own. But everything we've looked at so far has been focused on marketing materials. Now I want to push Higgsfield MCP into the area it's becoming known for. Can it create the kind of Hollywood-quality visuals that normally take an entire production team? I'm talking about cinematic images, blockbuster-style shots, dramatic camera movement, premium lighting, and high-end AI videos that look like they belong in a movie trailer. So let's forget websites for a minute. Let's see what happens when we give Claude one creative idea and let Higgsfield MCP handle the visuals. First, I'll drag and drop my video production skill into Claude. This skill contains the complete step-by-step workflow for creating cinematic Hollywood-quality scenes. Once it's loaded, I'll simply paste in my prompt and let Claude and Higgsfield MCP handle the rest. Movie-level action blockbuster feel, continuous long shots. A female warrior wearing a black high-tech tactical bodysuit is positioned in the center of an abandoned, rusty, heavy industrial factory. The camera follows her fluid movements. She demonstrates exceptional combat skills, first delivering a sharp spinning kick that sends a lunging zombie flying, then immediately precision shooting with a pistol in one hand with intense flames erupting from the muzzle. This workflow is actually really interesting to watch. I'm not writing camera angles, directing every shot, or jumping between different AI tools. Claude is acting like the creative director. It understands the scene, breaks down the sequence, and prepares everything the production needs. Then Higgsfield MCP takes over the execution. That's what makes this workflow feel different. Claude provides the creative thinking, while Higgsfield provides the production engine. They work together instead of feeling like two separate tools. And because they're connected through MCP, I don't have to copy prompts back and forth or manually manage every step. One prompt becomes an entire production workflow. So let's see if the final result actually matches the vision. Before Claude and Higgsfield generate the final video, take a look at this. This isn't the finished render, it's the production plan. What's impressive is that Claude has already broken the entire scene into individual cinematic shots, complete with camera movement, framing, and pacing. You can see exactly how the sequence is going to unfold. It starts with a dramatic dolly in to establish the environment, transitions into a smooth orbit during the combat, switches to a handheld whip pan for the weapon draw, pulls back during the gunfire, and finishes with a slow crane-up hero shot. This is the kind of visual planning you'd normally expect from a storyboard artist before filming even begins. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, Claude is thinking like a director, while Higgsfield MCP is preparing to turn that plan into cinematic footage. Honestly, seeing the workflow laid out like this gives me a lot more confidence in the final result, because every shot already has a purpose before a single frame is rendered. Now let's see how closely the finished video matches this storyboard. Okay, that looks surprisingly cinematic. The first thing I noticed is the camera movement, OMG. Instead of feeling robotic, it flows naturally through the action, almost like it was filmed on a professional cinema rig. The combat choreography is another standout. The spinning kick transitions smoothly into the pistol sequence, and the motion feels continuous instead of stitched together. I also like how the lighting and environment stay consistent throughout the scene. The abandoned factory, the atmosphere, the sparks, and the muzzle flash all work together to create that blockbuster feel. What really stands out is that I didn't have to direct every individual camera move or generate each shot separately. I described the scene once, Claude handled the creative direction, and Higgsfield turned that vision into a polished cinematic sequence. For filmmakers, content creators, or anyone experimenting with AI video production, this kind of workflow can save a huge amount of time while still producing visuals that look genuinely premium. Now that you've seen the final result, I think the biggest takeaway isn't just how cinematic the video looks. It's what this workflow replaces. A project like this would normally involve a researcher, a copywriter, a designer, a storyboard artist, a web developer, and a video production team. For many businesses or agencies, that's easily the kind of work you'd package as a $5,000 a month retainer. Here, one connector handled the entire pipeline. Claude researched the market, built the strategy, wrote the copy, planned the shots, generated the visuals, created the landing page, and Higgsfield MCP turned those creative decisions into production-ready assets. You're not just saving time. You're compressing what used to be multiple specialist workflows into a single connected process. That's why I think Higgsfield MCP 2.0 is more than another AI tool. It gives Claude the brain to think strategically, the hands to create professional assets, and the distribution to deliver real files you can actually ship. One prompt, one connector, one agent running the entire workflow from research to render to revenue. I think the biggest shift here is how we think about AI. Before, we used AI as a tool. We asked questions. We generated ideas. But now, we can give AI a goal and let it help us execute. Today, we created a realistic UGC advertisement, created a complete premium launch campaign for a fictional AI productivity application called Focus Flow AI. And everything happened through one connected workflow. Claude provides the intelligence. Higgsfield MCP provides the creative execution. If you want to try this workflow yourself, I'll leave my Higgsfield MCP link at the top of the description. You can connect it to Claude and start experimenting with your own projects. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more advanced AI workflows, subscribe because I'll be testing more powerful AI tools and automation systems in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.